A quiet power shift is reshaping India's equity market. For 6 straight quarters, domestic institutions have held a larger share of listed stocks than foreign investors, marking the first sustained reversal in decades and signaling a market now driven by local money. Data from CMIE covering over 4,000 listed companies shows that the value-based share of DIIs in Indian equities reached a record 18.4% in the September 2025 quarter, up from 18% in the previous quarter. This marks the 6th consecutive quarter since March of this year that DIIs have maintained a clear lead over FIIs. It reflects how India's deepening pool of household wealth channeled through mutual funds, insurers, and pension schemes is reaching the stock market. The inflection point came in Q4 of FY 2024 when DII ownership first surpassed that of FPIs, breaking a long-standing pattern. Just a quarter earlier, FPIs held a narrow lead at 16.48% versus DIIs at 16.31%. Since then, the gap has steadily widened in favor of domestic investors. In contrast, FPI ownership slipped 40 basis points sequentially to 15.6% in Q2 of FY26, its lowest in several quarters, and well below the record 20.1% in Q3 FY21. The rise in DII ownership underscores their growing role in market stability, but it doesn't make overseas investors irrelevant. The value of FPI holdings fell to 70.3 trillion rupees in Q2 of FY26 from 77.6 trillion rupees a year earlier. FPIs turned net sellers in Q1 FY26, offloading Indian equities worth 76,619 crore rupees. After a brief purchase of 14,610 crores in October, they have again turned cautious, pulling out 9,519 crores so far in November. Analysts attribute the persistent outflows to rising US bond yields, a stronger US dollar, and geopolitical uncertainty, prompting reallocations towards developed markets.
In a world where business never stops, Mint keeps you ahead, any screen, anytime, from studios to the ground.
Mint is doing brilliantly well. It's a well-read page, I would think.
Mint breaks down business, leadership, and lifestyle, boldly, visually, and smartly. From boardrooms to markets, from personal wealth to industry trends, we bring you the insights that matter. What fuels India's biggest CEOs? Ride along and find out. Want to invest like the pros? Learn from India's top market experts. Your money, your future. We make finance simple. Step inside breathtaking homes and the creative minds behind them. India's real estate scene decoded. No jargon, no fluff. Some chase success, others create it. Meet the ones who made the impossible possible. We don't just talk business, we show it. And the world's watching.